So today what we're doing is our team has gathered here today to go fly some drones, have a good time, maybe win something or maybe have some glory today. And we basically came here to have a fun time and be with the team.
This obstacle course, we focus more on our motor skills and our perceptions. We're finally putting to use all of our practice that we've done throughout last semester and finally this semester.
It's neat to see them engage in the activity and learn new things and challenge themselves when it comes to learning the skills that they need to have in order to be successful.
There's a lot of nerves. I mean, there's different moments where you have nerves. There's qualifiers. I mean, where you qualify to the next round. I mean, those, if you don't get enough points, if you're not in the top 10, you're not gonna make it. And then once you get to the quarterfinal and semifinal, that's where you get more nervy and everyone's watching you behind you. So it's a little nerves behind it, so.
When you're out there, you get very nervous. Yes, sometimes you do get nervous, sometimes it's kind of scary, but your friends are there, so that means you're safer with them.
It's fun. It's really fun. It can be a little bit challenging at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy and it is really fun.
It's so good because I have an opportunity to meet new people and socialize with them, and I get to see how more harmonies come together, and I'm just so excited to meet new people.